Hello friends, welcome you all in my YouTube channel, and today we are going to design a complete ball bearing in Autodesk Inventor. So it will be the third tutorial of Autodesk Inventor. So friends, let's start. We will go into the, sorry, we will start this with a new page. Click on sketch, select XY plane, select a circle here, give the dimension of 4 mm, diameter of 4 mm here, take a line command, click here, click here, 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 click on this, here, 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 and click on this. So friends, we have created a sketch here. Make equal to this one and this one and this one. Take a line command from this point to this point to this point. Okay, just press ESC and we need to take a mirror. Just select this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Mirror line, select this mirror line, apply and done. So we have created this complete structure. Now just take a line from here. Friends, you can visit on YouTube and you will find that this is the easiest method what today I am going to tell you. This is the easiest method of designing a ball bearing. You will not get a single tutorial similar to this. Just friends, finish this sketch. Go into the revolve command, select this geometry and this geometry. Axis to be select like this. So friends, here you can see we have created this structure. I would like to revise it once again. Go into the revolve command, select this upper portion, select this lower portion, select axis and select this line. So we will create this. Just select OK. Here you can see this is the upper portion of the bearing and this one is the lower portion of the bearing. So friends, how you can design the bearing, I am going to tell you the number of methods. So how you can design? First, either you can design this upper portion, then you can design the lower portion, and then you can design the balls and then create an assembly. So that is the longest method, I think. Designing first this one, then this one, then this one, and you are going to assemble one by one. So it will take a lot of time. Other method is what? You can design this one and this one on this one together, and then you are going to design this one separately, and then you are coming for the assembly purpose. So we need to understand always which one is the simplest method of designing. So whatever I am going to tell you or how we are going to designing, this one is the simplest one. So just click here. Friends, just here revolution part, click on sketch, right click, make a sketch visibility here. Now again go on the revolve, click on this, select this one is. So you can see here we have created the one ball already. So just click OK. So friends, here you can see we have created a one ball and this one. So what the next we need to do? We need to just create a circular pattern. Go on to this, select this, sorry, just cancel it. Go into the circular pattern, click this one, select the line, this one, and number we are going to create a 9. Just enter. So you can see friends, here we have created the balls also. So this is the ball bearing. Now you can go into the sketch 1, right click and close the visibility. Now what you need to do, just fillet the corners. So I will select this one and that one, 2 mm, make it 1 mm, it will looks good. Select this portion also and take orbit, rotate this, press ESC and select this one also. Just apply and OK and cancel it. So here you can see we have created the bearing once. So now what we need to do, go into the circular pattern, just provide the colors. Which color would you like to give this one? Suppose we are going to this, what one? One is still unselected. Control Z, go into the, create this one. So we have given the color. If you want to make a different to this one, circular pattern, go into the different selection and color. You can choose this one, select this one, again give this one. So here we have created this bearing, and in bearing you need to see one keyway is also here exists. If you want, you can prepare. Just click on this face, create a new sketch. What we need to do, create a rectangle here, a small rectangle like this. Just say OK. Go into the move command, select this entire base point, select this one, carry it here, where you want to keep it, just put here and say done. Again finish sketch, go into the extrude one, opposite side through all, just say OK. So here friends, you can see we have created one keyway also for the particular bearing. So I hope you have understood the entire geometry of the bearing and the process how we have created it. I hope you have enjoyed the session. For any query, and if you want to that I should design something as per your requirement, just comment on comment section only. I will take your design and will make it for you definitely. So friends, if it is a better video, kindly share it with your friends. Good luck. Jai Hind.